Hey guys, so today I'm hiking with some friends and we're doing Mount Mesa. I don't know if you can see the summit, but we're really still at the foot of it. And yeah, that is a view of Yaoundé. Looks beautiful. Yeah, not so catchy, but I think it still looks good. So stay with me. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to show you my friends. Say hi to the camera. Come on, don't be shy. Okay, that's Carl. And then that is Brian, the really annoying one. That is say hi to the camera. Okay. All right, guys. See ya. But are you not a jealous person? Mm-hmm.
Not jealous. It looks like one of those slave sites.
Yeah, it looks like a slave site. Thank you. I thought I was the only one who felt that this place was.
These are usually based on what was there back then. You tell me you have to rubble all of this down.
No, I don't have to rubber. I just have to get back the blueprint of whatever I was
No
doing
blueprint,
before.
nothing available.
No, then we break it down. How am I supposed to build on something I don't know? No. The first step of being an engineer is telling when you are being, how do I say, when you're being influence or the situation where you're around you to compromise your technical expertise. It's any compromise. If there's no blueprint, how am I supposed to work? How am I supposed to know what I'm building on? There's supposed to be a blueprint. Then my solution in this place is we should clear it and start from zero. Because and then it's even been here for so long, we don't know about the structure and safety so long.
Now we're talking. How long what was the lifespan of it?
That's why I'm going to need a blueprint and everything about it.
No blueprint. If you have to collect any
that's what I said now. If there's no blueprint, we take the whole thing down and start from scratch.
You have to take any samples, you can collect samples, I don't know if it's blocked or whatever. No blueprint for you to do.
Yeah, I can do the testing on site now.
Yes.
Yes, I can do the testing on site. But at the end of the day, I want to make anything. Become building on something.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9.
Can we move? Let's move.
I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't
Oh, I didn't tell my. Oh, please let me tell my subscribers what it used to be. So apparently this used to be a quarry, and as you can see, I would love to think that this depression was once filled with these rocks, and at some point it was exploited right up to that place. I honestly don't know why the exploitation stopped, but yeah, see for yourselves. That's all I can say. I cannot say something that I don't know.
'Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
I know that it looks like we're descending, guys, but we're actually still ascending. But since Brian is a show off, Brian wants to show us something. I didn't hear what you sang. But Brian, was it not easier to go down the other time? Wow. Nice.
I don't know how my mind is going to do.
I don't. Your mind shouldn't go to anywhere.
A nice place to die. Nice place to come
to. Okay. Well, I imagine that a professional would want a really, how do I say, a really big challenge now. Yeah, not just to come and play around. There are actually people walking down, and then it's like there is water, there's some sort of water under the rocks.
All of which engineers can.
Yeah. Engineers like okay, I think you went so far out of my jurisdiction.
How come that? Wait. Let's face that.
No, it's more petrochemical guys that do that.
Really?
Though they work with us, but it's more of their thing.
Really?
Yeah, petroleum and mining guys now.
Okay, mining, yes.
Yeah.
Petrochemical, like.
Yeah.
Mining, okay.
Yeah, since those two usually go together. Fine boy. Say hi to the camera. Oh, he's shy. He's blushing.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up.
What hat is that? Right, say hi to the camera. Yo man, you're not saying hi to the camera, you're away from the camera.
Say hi.
Oh, but there are people now. I don't know my subscribers. So we did it. Yeah, with no I don't know, no plants. Yeah, just short warm grass spring. Ride. Warm spring, eh? You have exaggerated. And then some bare rock. I expected to see less plants for sure, but anyway, these ones are actually planted by people. Award. Okay. It's not used to having people. Yeah, I'm scared of lizards, please. Yes. Yes, I'm scared of cockroaches as well. Oh. Oh, the things that are real to you when you get to the top. Just know that said lonely at the top, right? They were supposed to specify that it's lonely at the top and it feels really good and refreshing as well. It's not a bad thing. I don't mind being alone at the top. I'll wait for me. I couldn't wait to do this. It's so refreshing. Oh, please take me a thumbnail, I beg. Oh, that sun raised my eyes. Why are you laughing? Say no.
What happened to getting someone's consent?
Forget you are. I'm filming you too. People should come and beat me. Let me see.
What? What?
I'm so going to spoil it. Don't do that.
Yeah. Anyways, you can see it.
No, it's decent. No, okay, I can wait, there's definitely something I can do. Yeah, just leave the end. Ha! No, it's not. Yeah, this W, whatever. Yeah. It's still not my name, you can't read it like that, it's just a W. No way. Yeah. See? It's like G, W, Z, Jubilee.
It's your name.
It's not my name. It's pink.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's supposed to be.
Spin now.
Oh. I guess better just spin yourself.
No, but I asked you to show me. You didn't say anything. Then I took my one and laughed. faint a little.
Yes, very. You mean you have to do that?
Okay. Okay, I was talking about this. They're actually very dry oil.
How do you know that they're purple and blue?
Don't you recognize the flowers?
No.
I've forgotten the name. And then this grass looks like the type of grass I used to roof houses. It actually is.
What do you mean by we?
No, so you're denying your village people. I want to climb home.
The world shall not know my sweet side. I'm an alpha.
Oh. Yeah. You're cute, baby.
Okay, Daddy.
I want to climb. I should probably have worn my shoe for this. Brian! Brian! See me!
Daddy,
See
see
me.
me. Daddy, I climbed the rock.
Miss you!
Yes, you too.
Daddy, Chris.
I've seen some names here as well. It's not really. Oh, there are many. Okay. We found something. Many names. What do you think that we are going to find gold here? I'm going to wear my shoe and climb that tree. Wait, let me climb back. Don't stop that video. I can run and climb back. See how strong I am. Bye, we're going. We're going, bye.
Apparently, most of their conversations are meaningless.
We don't climb trees with shoes, right? Yes. Do you care? Are you worried for me?
Always.
Oh, you should have said that earlier.
Come down now, please.
Okay, I'm getting down.
I will climb.
Carl, I always say that you didn't know me, but come on. Okay, let me get my shoes off.
So I came here for nothing. Climb that thing.
Wait, let me get my shoes off safely.
Que sera, sera.
Did you know that if I fall, you're going to have to carry me down?
Que sera, sera.
Okay. Hey, guys.
Climb.
Climb to where? Does it look like there's anything here that can still carry my height?
So you are done.
Yeah, I'm done. And this branch looks dry. Hey! I made it!
You're coming down now. You're going down now.
I thought we agreed I should remove my shoe. But I'm stable here. I'll not climb again. So here we are at the summit and we are actually done. We spent some time, had a bit of fun, and we're rushing back now. I don't feel so tired. It wasn't so tasking. So overall, I would say even for a beginner, this is a doable task. So we're heading down now. I believe that it's going to be an easy descent, and see you at the bottom. Bye.
Voicing over any part of this video wasn't in the plan, but later on while editing, I noticed that Brian was playing music the whole time, and if I post it, I'll have copyright issues. You know how YouTube and their rules and regulations are. So yeah, I just had to voice over this part. So this is the beginning of our descent, and to be honest, I had a lot of difficulties descending compared to the how tasking it was ascending. And why was it so? First time experiences usually teach you a lesson or two. So I wouldn't say I wore the wrong shoe, but I kind of had toenails that were a bit overgrown. Should I say outgrown? I had tips, that's like artificial nails that were a bit overgrown, and so I didn't understand that this would make me really comfortable descending for that distance, and given that steepness as well. So along the way, Brian had to keep holding my hand and supporting me because I wasn't really stable in the way I was walking. I kind of put much of my weight on the side of my foot, and that means I was straining my ankles a whole lot. So we had to descend really slowly because of that. And the terrain wasn't so good. I had like my slippers in my bag, but the terrain wasn't so good that I could wear slippers, and of course I had to keep my feet protected as well, so I couldn't just wear slippers that would expose my toes and my feet. That is why I went on with the shoe. And at this point we were like 2/3 gone, and I honestly wasn't feeling it anymore. I was totally exhausted, my feet hurt. I really wanted to take off my shoe, but I didn't have a choice. I just had to bear it, and we kept walking. And right here, Brian and Carl were making fun of me, like they were totally making fun of me, and even though I was laughing, I was in pain. So I would advise against that. If you plan on hiking, please make sure your toenails are really short, and that your shoes and your socks are really comfortable. So here we are almost at the bottom. I think you can recognize this place where we started off, and I was really surviving on the last strands of strength that I had in me, like the last atoms of energy that were left in me. So yeah, we succeeded. And so this is the last part of the really steep part, and from here it's really just simple. And I would say our hike was fun, our hike was successful. You know, in life you don't always have to seek for so much to be happy. Find happiness in the simple things, and learn to be contented and find joy in the very simple activities and in the very simple days. Until next time, catch ya.